Want to build mobile apps for both iOS and Android with just one codebase? Let's dive in to React Native in the next 60 seconds. React Native is a popular framework created by Facebook that lets you use JavaScript and React to build real native mobile apps. That's right, not a web view, but actual native components. This means you can write your code once and deploy it on both platforms, saving a huge amount of time and resources. You get access to a rich ecosystem of libraries and a massive community for support. Features like fast refresh let you see your changes instantly, making the development process super smooth and efficient. Whether you're a web developer looking to get into mobile or just want to build apps faster, React Native is a fantastic choice, ready to start building. Drop a like if this was helpful and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.